Hey guys, we are back again with another Nix Coach Interiors custom entertainer. This is a 2026 new build based on the Prevost X3-45 chassis. And I challenge you to find a cleaner setup or design than this one or the other Nix new build we previously featured. These are very high-end, sleek Prevost coaches. If you haven't seen that other video, we will put a link to that down in the description so you can check it out. So this particular bus, like the other Nix build, shares a lot of the same features and specs, but with some slightly different design inspiration. I'm going to hit some of the highlights here, and we will put the full build sheet down in the description below. This bus features the Volvo D13 engine, Allison transmission, and has a 20 kW EPS Tier 4 generator on a slide out. The entire coach was insulated by Nix before the interior was installed and has the full Prevost heating and AC system, including 5 Dometic Penguin 2 13,500 BTU units with heat strips, AC ducted through the ceiling with concealed airflow and returns, along with the toe kick heater in front. Entertainment options include two 50-inch TVs in front, 240 in the back, 5.1 soundbar with subwoofer, HDMI wall-mounted input jacks, and 4 smartphone table-mounted chargers in front and rear lounges. The front lounge private bathroom features an Aqua Magic toilet and shower. The galley features Corian countertops and backsplash, bowl sink, full-size refrigerator freezer, and pull-out storage. There is LED lighting throughout, leather seating with storage under sofas in the front, along with closets and shelving across the rear of the bus. All cabinet doors and drawers have positive catches and soft close hinges. The driver area has step lighting at the entrance door, all the key controls left of the driver, driver privacy curtains, and blackout blinds. Now, most importantly for an entertainer, the bunk section, here we have 8 or 12 interchangeable private bunks with overhead lights, charging ports, individual heat/air vents, and a recessed pocket for storage. Check out the description below for the current price and a link back to the ad in our Prevost Coach Marketplace for more pictures and details. Let me know what you guys think about this build down in the comments section, and be sure to subscribe for more Prevost coaches.